got the euro against the US dollar. This is on the weekly chart. So starting out in here, we can see pretty much dating back across the start of 2025 up until now, we are in a large bullish trend, although we have been ranging for the second half of 2025 as well. But we can see by the bullish trends here, we can see a sequence of higher lows alongside higher highs, even if the gains on there are a little bit weaker by comparison to previous weeks. But we are seeing a sequence of higher highs and higher lows, which is telling me that the bullish trend is still in play. Also supported by our moving averages, which are fanned out, all evenly spaced, pointed in the same direction, which historically does act to the bullish momentum that we are seeing. So looking at our technical indicators, we can see that the MACD has crossed over its signal, which again is another signal for bullish momentum on here. But where I do think that we could be significant, even though we are in a long-term bullish trend, I think the sizable declines coming off from its recent highs at 1.2 a couple of weeks back is actually going to be quite important to shaping for the forward outlook where we are going to. So moving this now into the daily chart for the euro dollar. Most recent price action, I'm going to go back to the start of November. We can see the prices came up, found resistance around the 1.18, traded back into its moving averages to find support at 1.16, then shot up to make I think it's about 4-year high, I think I saw, at the 1.2. Then we did see a quick sell-off, and now prices have been consolidating over the previous week at its 20-day moving average, which actually is at the same level where we did previously find resistance. So I think, considering we saw a clean break and a hold above its prior resistance, came back and find support on here, I do think this could be a confirmation of a bullish signal for here. So if I want to make the moves on this one here today, I want to see it break last week's highs first of all, which is about 1.185. Once we do see that, we can see a break and a hold above last week's highs. I do think it is a pretty good sky towards a retest of its all-time highs. But I do think it does need to get over the psychologically significant 1.19 for it to do that. So we can see a break here, I can see a move higher, and then if we see it find resistance here, however, I do think we could see prices move further into their moving averages down here, potentially down towards the 20 to 50-day once again. If we're looking on the technical indicator side as well, our MACD is underneath its signal, which tells me there is some bearish pressure, at least for the more short term. We've also got the RSI, which is underneath its signal, adding to that bearish pressure on here. So I am looking for a signal either side. If we do see prices move up today and fail to break last week's high, we could see it come further down. Either side, though, I do need to be very conscious of my risk management strategy. So I think depending on which side I'm going, I'm looking to manage my risk around my moving average levels here with a target towards previous swing highs and swing lows.